Welcome everyone to our next SolidWorks tutorial where we are going to make the jaw for our vise here. So we're going to make this by sketching out this side of it, so here, ignoring this cutout, and then we're going to do a sketch on the side and remove that cutout there, do another sketch to add this semicircle, and then lastly we'll use the hole tool to make a hole in the middle. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's go to new part and sketch front plane, and we're going to draw the general shape of this. Alright, so there's the shape. It's not very scaled, but that's fine for what we're doing right now. Before we add any dimensions, we're going to start to add some relations to each other to kind of lock things in place. So for instance, these two lines here, I want to have make collinear. Same with these two lines here, and these two lines. I also want to make these two lines equal to each other, as well as these ones, and then these ones as well. So pretty much I want to add as many relations as I can so that I minimize the amount of dimensions I need to place. These can be collinear, as well as these. And I think that's good for now. Actually, we can make these equal to each other as well. Alright, so let's go ahead and add some dimensions. I'm going to start from my top and work my way down. And instead of making this also 0.1875, I'm going to select them and make them equal to each other. Actually, I don't want to do that, so I Control Z to undo. And the reason I don't want to do that is I might have to edit that dimension later. So instead, I'm going to just make that dimension the same as that one. Alright, so there we have all of our dimensions. Let's go ahead and extrude this. And then we have the general shape of the jaw. Make a sketch on the side, and we're going to first create a circle. So we have this semicircle here and then this line coming here. So we're going to create a circle, and I want to click anywhere except for the center point because I don't want to lock it to the center point. So anywhere on this line except for there. And then same thing, I just want to draw a line horizontal over. I'll add dimensions later to make it the exact size. Alright, let's go ahead and make this the right dimensions. And then I'm going to trim just the outer part of this circle. Oh, no, I'm not. Oh, because I need to convert this entity to make that shape, and then I can trim that circle. And I can trim there too. Alright, let's go to Features, Extrude Cut, select this shape, and I want it to be through all, and there we go. We have that part done. Alright, let's go ahead and make that circle. And then I can go ahead and extrude that. And I'm going to switch my direction and go to up to next. And so that's going to just extrude up to the next geometry that exists. And there we go. Alright, and then lastly we have to place our hole. And then the type of hole that it is a 0.75 inch diameter hole and 1/2 inch deep. Click OK. And there we have our hole. Alright, lastly we should change our material. Our material is cast iron. I realized I didn't do the right material for the base. I did steel for that, but we can change that later on. So let's go ahead, right click, and malleable cast iron. Go ahead, save it. And we are done our next part for our vise. Now, thank you for watching this tutorial. If you would please like and subscribe to this channel and this video to help me make more of these tutorials.